Welcome to English with Molly. Cooking verbs, part 1. To cut. To cut. Can you cut the vegetables for sandwiches? To chop. To chop. I finally chopped the parsley and added it to the soup. To slice. To slice. I usually slice radishes for lunch. To dice. To dice. I dice the vegetable for the salad. To peel. To peel. Can you help me peel this apple? To whisk. To whisk. I whisk the eggs for the omelette. To spread. To spread. I spread butter on my toast. To blend. To blend. Can you blend the fruits into a smoothie? To knead. To knead. She kneads the dough for the bread. To roll out. To roll out. I roll out the pizza dough on the counter. To grate. To grate. I grate carrots for vegetable soup. To bread. To bread. I bread the fish before frying. To break. To break. I break the eggs into a bowl. To measure. To measure. Always measure when baking for accuracy. To stir. To stir. The chef stirs the sauce every few minutes. To cook. To cook. They cook together every Sunday. To bake. To bake. I will tell you how to bake a delicious cookies. To boil. To boil. Before you add the pasta, boil the water. To fry. To fry. She can fry potatoes perfectly. To grill. To grill. We need to grill more burgers for the guests. To roast. To roast. They roast a chicken for their meals.